Nalbach Auger fillers. Specifically designed for use with powders, granulars, and flakes. Nalbach Auger fillers provide the latest in filling technology with computer-controlled servo motor drives and a touchscreen user interface. The computer-controlled brushless direct drive servo motor system provides superior fill accuracy and reliability. Nalbach has done away with most moving parts, typically found on competitive equipment, virtually eliminating downtime due to mechanical failure. Broken clutches, brakes, encoders, drive belts, and pulleys are no longer a concern. Fewer moving parts means less maintenance and less downtime. With precision servo motor resolution of 1/5000th of a revolution, Nalbach Auger fillers provide fill accuracies up to plus or minus 0.25% with constant density product. The servo drive also provides acceleration and deceleration control, which results in fill speeds up to 120 per minute. The touchscreen, with an intuitive icon-based graphical user interface, provides for greater operator accuracy and control. The user-friendly menus allow the operator to easily access product memory for fast setup and accurate control of all filling parameters. Nalbach's weight setup software quickly, easily, and automatically sets up fill parameters. Simply perform a trial fill with your product, weigh the result, enter the actual weight, enter the desired fill weight, and the system automatically adjusts. Nalbach's self-centering funnel system virtually eliminates the need to adjust and center the auger tooling within the funnel after each changeover or cleaning, saving as much as 20 minutes of production time. All components easily removed and replaced without the need for tools or adjustment. Nalbach Auger fillers are constructed with rugged stainless steel product contact parts and aluminum structural parts, resulting in exceptional durability. Nalbach, engineered for performance.